Hey y'all, welcome back to the garden. Today we're diving headfirst into eco-friendly gardening. Want a gorgeous garden without draining your wallet or the planet? We're sharing eco-friendly gardening hacks that save cash and make your garden thrive naturally. Let's dig in. Now, you know I love a good DIY project, and when it comes to gardening, it's all about infusing character and charm, and doing it affordably. One of my favorite ways to do that is by giving everyday items a second life as planters. Think about those old boots gathering dust in your closet. Give them a good scrub, punch a few drainage holes in the bottom, and voila, you've got yourself a whimsical planter that's bursting with personality. Tin cans, mason jars, vintage teacups. Even that old wheelbarrow can all become charming homes for your plants. Before you get planting, give your upcycled treasures a fresh coat of paint. Think bright, happy colours that'll really pop in your garden. You can even get the kids involved in this part. They'll love creating their own garden masterpieces. It's a win-win for your garden and the environment. Just like we need good, wholesome food to thrive, so do our plants. But those chemical fertilizers, let's just say they're not exactly Mother Nature's recipe for a healthy garden. The good news is you can whip up your own natural fertilizer right in your kitchen, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's talk banana peels. They're like a superfood for your plants, packed with potassium that promotes strong roots and beautiful blooms. Just chop those peels up, bury them a few inches deep around your plants, and let them work their magic. Eggshells are another kitchen staple that can give your garden a boost. They're loaded with calcium, which helps with cell growth and prevents blossom end rot in your tomatoes. Simply crush those shells up and sprinkle them around your plants. And if you really want to supercharge your soil, try your hand at compost tea. It's like a magic potion for your plants, full of beneficial microorganisms that help them absorb nutrients. You can find tons of easy compost tea recipes online. Your plants will thank you for it. Now let's talk about water. It's the lifeblood of any garden, but it's also a precious resource that we need to conserve. There are some simple and effective ways to keep your garden hydrated without wasting a single drop. Remember those plastic bottles we talked about? Turn them into DIY drip irrigation systems by poking small holes in the bottom and burying them near your plants. Fill them with water and they'll slowly release moisture right where your plants need it most. Another water-saving champion is mulch. Think of it like a cozy blanket for your soil that helps to lock in moisture and prevent evaporation. You can use organic mulch like wood chips, straw, or even shredded leaves. And don't let those precious raindrops go to waste. Set up rain barrels or buckets under your downspouts to collect rainwater. It's free, it's natural, and your plants will absolutely love it. Let's talk about those pesky critters that like to munch on our gardens. Instead of reaching for those harsh chemical pesticides, why not let Mother Nature lend a helping hand? That's where companion planting comes in. It's like creating a harmonious ecosystem right in your backyard by pairing up plants that naturally help each other thrive. Take basil and tomatoes, for example. Basil repels those pesky tomato hornworms and whiteflies, while tomatoes provide shade that helps keep the soil moist for basil to thrive. Another classic combo is planting marigolds alongside your veggies. Marigolds are like nature's insect repellent, deterring everything from aphids to squash bugs. Plus, they'll add a pop of cheerful color to your garden. The key to successful companion planting is research. Spend a little time learning which plants play well together, and you'll be amazed at the results. You'll have fewer pests, healthier plants, and a more abundant harvest, all without using any harmful chemicals. There's something truly special about saving seeds from your garden. It's like holding the promise of next year's harvest in the palm of your hand. A tangible connection to the cycle of life and growth. Plus, it's a fantastic way to save money and ensure you have a steady supply of your favorite varieties year after year. Start by selecting the healthiest, most robust plants in your garden. These are the ones that have thrived in your climate and soil conditions, so their offspring are more likely to do the same. Once the flowers have faded and the seed pods have dried, carefully collect the seeds, making sure they're completely dry before storing them. Store your seeds in a cool, dry place in airtight containers or envelopes. Label them clearly with the plant variety and the date so you know what you have. And here's a fun idea. Why not start a seed swap with your friends, family or neighbours? It's a wonderful way to share the bounty of your garden, discover new varieties and build community around a shared love of gardening. Well, there you have it, friends. Simple, eco-friendly gardening hacks that prove you don't need a lot of fancy equipment or expensive products to create a thriving garden. It's about working with nature, not against it. It's about getting creative, using what you have, and finding joy in the process. Gardening doesn't have to be expensive or wasteful. Upcycle, save seeds, feed your soil naturally, and grow smarter. Your dream garden is just a few eco-friendly hacks away.